Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Dodge Caravan key fob battery. First, you'll need to remove the mechanical key from the fob by sliding the release switch. Next, gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 coin cell battery. These are commonly available and inexpensive. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch or slot, often where the mechanical key was removed. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this opening. Gently twist the screwdriver to pry apart the two halves of the fob. Be careful not to use too much force to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, notice which way the positive side is facing. For most Dodge Caravan key fobs, the positive side faces down. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Then, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is oriented correctly, usually facing down, and it clicks into place. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the fob, making sure all edges match. Press them firmly together until you hear them snap securely shut. Don't forget to reinsert your mechanical key. Now, stand near your Dodge Caravan and test the key fob's lock and unlock functions to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.